Hi guys, here 10 minus 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 2 times 3 plus 5. Here 10 minus 8 is 2 divided by 2 times this 3 plus 5. Here 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 3 plus 5. Here 1 times 3 is 3 plus 5. Here 3 plus 5 is 8 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 8 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is bracket higher priority than other operation. Here exponent. Here multiplication M stands for, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operation, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. We have exponent here, that is 2 power 3. Now, 10 minus 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 2 times 3 plus 5. Here we have subtraction, division, multiplication and addition. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is 8 divided by 2. So 10 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 3 plus 5. Here we have subtraction, multiplication, addition. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 10 minus this is 4 times 3 is 12 plus 5. Here we have subtraction and addition. Both are equal priority. We are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is this 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is negative 2 plus 5. Here negative 2 plus 5 is 3 is the correct answer.